guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emefa and this is my first ever video. I decided to do this on a makeup tutorial for you guys. I am not a makeup artist, but this is just the way I like to do my makeup. Please follow me on all of my socials, which is going to be down here below. And if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to prime my face using the Nivea night cream. I'm just going to rub that all into my face, and this night cream is literally the perfect thing to use as a primer if you want something that's a little bit inexpensive, and this will make sure that your base is just perfect. So now that my face is fully moisturized, I'm just going to get my small brush that you can get from the local hair store for about like £1, I think, and I'm just literally going to brush in my eyebrows, making sure it's going in the direction that I want it to go in. So now I'm just going to get my eyebrow pomade from Kiko. This eyebrow pomade is so amazing. I'm just going to get my eyebrow brush, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm literally going to just fill in my eyebrows. Honestly, as I fill in my eyebrows, I'm just going to literally follow my shape and the direction that the hairs are going in. I'm now going to blend the eyebrow pomade with my eyebrow hairs just to make sure that it's fully blended in, as this is a natural look, so I don't want my eyebrows to be too dark. And now we're just going to go in and fill the other eyebrow. We're going to do the exact same thing we did, and we're just going to make sure we're following the shape, following the direction of the eyebrow hairs. Just take note as well at the fact that I don't go in with the eyebrow pomade at the front of my eyebrow hairs, as we just want this to be a natural look. I'm now going to take my concealer, which is from Revolution in 13.5, and a flat brush. And I'm just going to go in with the concealer and define my eyebrows now. Do try to make sure that the concealer does go right underneath your eyebrows, so it just gives it that more like defined look. We are then going to go to the next eyebrow and do the exact same thing, making sure just to follow the shape. The next thing I do is I'll just drag my concealer right down to my eyes, just making sure that it goes everywhere underneath my eyebrow. This just makes it easier to blend. I now begin to conceal the top of my eyebrow, just making sure it's really nice and neat. I think at this point you just have to have very, very steady hands, making sure not to ruin the shape. After concealing my eyebrow, just get this brush. This brush I got from Beauty Base. I don't exactly know what it's called, but I'm going to list it in the link below. And I'm just literally going to blend underneath my eyebrow everywhere. I'm going to do this to both eyebrows, and then I will go in at the top of my eyebrow. When blending hair, the technique is to use light taps around your eyebrow, making sure that it's fully blended. This is just another way to just blend, and it is so much more effective. As you can see guys, when blending the top of my eyebrow, using this brush is literally so perfect because you get to be more precise with your blending. So after we have finished with this blending brush, I'm just now going to get my beauty blender. I'm going to make sure my beauty blender is damp as well, and I'm just going to now blend all around my eyebrows. This is just an extra step I do, as I want everything to be completely blended on my face. Now that I finished blending in the concealer around my eyebrows, I'm now going to go in with my foundation, which is Fenty Beauty in the shade 450. I don't know where this foundation brush is from, but any foundation brush will honestly do. And I'm now just going to blend that into my face. When it comes to foundation, make sure you honestly take your time, because the application is so important to just getting that nice smooth base. Guys, I always make sure to always blend downwards. That is such an important point as well, just to make sure that your base is completely smooth. There's no harsh lines, as it's just easier and it blends better. Guys, honestly, I love this foundation. You can already see the difference. It's just looking so light and subtle and really, really nice. I'm now going to do the exact same thing I did to the other side, making sure to blend, blend, blend. Always, always blend. You can never blend too much. Guys, I'm not even done, but you can already see that it's all coming together. The skin already is illuminating and the foundation is just absolutely amazing. This is my favorite foundation of all times. I can honestly go on about this foundation, but all I'm going to say is this foundation is the best foundation, especially for people with oily skin. So I'm now going to conceal my face using the Revolution concealer in 13.5. Guys, this concealer is another thing that is just so amazing as well. It's very inexpensive. I believe it's like £4. And yeah, I'm just going to conceal underneath my eyes, making sure that the concealer always stays in the center of my face. I then conceal the top of my lip, and then I conceal the other side of my face. I also conceal my chin. Just take note as well how I've only concealed the center of my face, as I believe this is the most important part of my face. Taking my damp beauty blender, I am now going to begin to blend. I'm going to make sure that I'm not dragging out the concealer, as I do want the concealer to stay at the center of my face, like I said. Another quick tip when blending is to use the side or the bottom of the beauty blender to make sure that your concealer doesn't drag and it stays in the desired places that you want it to stay in. This technique is so effective and has helped me so many times, especially when you accidentally put too much concealer on your face and you don't know what to do with all of that concealer. You literally will use the side and the bottom of the beauty blender. This is a very self-explanatory step, but I will say just continue to blend, blend, blend. I'm now going to go in with my foundation brush again and continue to blend, because we don't want any harsh lines. We want this to look like skin, guys. We don't want this to look powdery or cakey at all. Now I'm just going to go in with my Toofaced concealer, and I'm literally going to put this in the center of my face once again. I'm not going to put as much as I did with the Revolution concealer. This is just to literally make the underneath of my eyes a little bit brighter, and I'm just going to put this on my top lip as well. I mean above my top lip, sorry. So now I'm just going to blend, 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 making sure that my beauty blender is always damp when I am blending. But honestly guys, take your time when it comes to blending. As you can see, I'm using the same technique as I was previously. I am literally just blending in only the places where there is concealer. I'm making sure not to drag it over my face. I haven't even finished blending yet, but I just wanted to show you me just using the bottom of the beauty blender just to blend and just to make sure that it literally just all stays in one place. So guys, even though it looks like we are done, we are not done, because we will always blend. As you can see, the look is definitely coming together, and the foundation looks like skin, the concealer looks like skin, the base looks like skin, and this is what we wanted in the first place. This is just such a natural, nice look. So now I'm going to go in with the powder. This powder is called YMCA. I got it from Beauty Bay as well. I'm going to link everything in the description bar below. But as you can see, I am literally just powdering my face now. I use the same beauty blender as I did for my concealer and my face to basically just put the setting powder all over my face. And I just do this because the beauty blender is already soft and it gives it that soft application to my face instead of using a dry beauty blender. I just found this so much easier to just pat into my face as well. Anyway, I'm now going to get my Patricia Bright kit and use the contour section to literally just contour my nose. I'm just doing very, very light strokes at the moment. I am then going to get another brush, which is going to be in the link below, that I did also get from Beauty Base, and I'm literally going to blend that contour out. Anyway guys, this is an extra step I do. This is just me outlining where my nose starts, just because I feel like it did get lost in the powder. After I've done that, I'm now just going to take a brush that was also in the Beauty Bay kit as well, and I'm now just going to blend all of the powder off my face. Take your time doing this step as well. There is honestly no rush, because if you do want to achieve that perfect skin base, then it's all about taking your time. After this, you can already guess the next step. We are literally going to blend once again. After we have finished this step, we are now just going to get our Patricia Bright palette again. This palette is so amazing, I cannot stress it enough. And I'm literally just going to go in for the blush, and I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones. Honestly guys, this look is literally all coming together. It's just such a nice, natural look. Guys, another good tip that I use is exactly where I put my nose contour. I basically just go over that with blush, and it just makes the look so much more subtle and just natural. We then go in again with the blending, because we need the makeup to look like skin always, and that's on period. I now just set my face with a setting spray I got from Revolution. This will be in the link below. I'm now just going to take my mascara and just put mascara on my eyes now. I had to put my lashes off camera, but as you can see, the look has finally come together. I'm literally just putting highlight on the highest part of my cheek. As well as my nose too. After that, we blend again. We blend, just making sure everything is blended all over the whole face now. Because this is a natural look, I am not going to outline my lips. I'm just going to put lip gloss I got from the hair shop, which is like £1. And then I'm just going to blend really quickly. As you can see, the face is looking amazing, the skin is looking amazing, everything's just looking amazing, and this is what we wanted to achieve in the first place. And so guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, this is just a natural glowy makeup look. I hope you did enjoy this look. I didn't know what to do exactly with my hair, but I just thought, let me just wet it and just have that wet type of look. Thank you so much for watching that video. If you did like that video, then please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh.